I'm Jason Epperson with RV Miles, and this is the 37 RV Miles by Sabre. We've been collaborating with Sabre for the past year on building this special floor plan just for us, but also just for you. And it's got lots of little features that we really love, that we've learned from our 8 years full-time RVing about the things we like and the things we don't like in an RV and what we thought would be perfect for our family to be living in when we travel. So to start off, it is built on a 43-foot frame that's 43 foot long, big fifth wheel. It's on the NXG frame, which is huck riveted, which is really strong and sturdy. Doesn't have a lot of flex. It's a great frame for lots of storage and lots of cargo carrying capacity. You can put over 3,000 pounds of cargo in this unit, which is great. And it has two 20-pound propane tanks. You have room to put 30-pound ones in if you want. It's got slam latches and all the storage outside. It's really set up well on the outside for you to live outdoors, which is a big part of our lives, which is why it's got that big patio on it that we'll get to in a minute. But first, this is the kitchen, and the kitchen comes with lots of counter space, lots of outlets. We're big on having appliances like our coffee maker and our blender and our Instant Pot out on the countertop. So we've got lots of countertop space and lots of outlets on the countertops for you to put your different appliances on. You get this fantastic workstation sink that all Sabres have, that you've got the cup washer, you've got a rinser for your vegetables and cutting board and more. Sabre does a really good job of making sure that all of the cabinets and storage have all the things that you need in them. So for instance, you've got a place for a trash can right here built into a drawer instead of having to figure out where in the unit you're going to put a trash can. All the cabinets have plenty of room in them, but some of them even have a lot of extra hidden storage in them. So for instance, this cabinet here has a drawer below it that you could put pots in or shoes in that comes all the way out, because they're able to shove it underneath the bathroom up there. And there's some other drawers come out very far too. You get a fridge that you do have access to the refrigerator top portion of on a travel day. You get a full-size oven. You can actually fit a turkey in there if you want to. You get a convection microwave. You got a wine rack. And then over here, we've got some cool shelving units up here for coffee. We're big fans of coffee over here. And you've got K-cup storage in this one right here. You can shove all your little K-cups in there and this closes up. Sabre does a cool thing too with all their cabinets. They put a really strong magnet on, so you know your cabinet doors and your drawers are always going to stay closed on a travel day. Big fan of this giant chef's comfortable kitchen with lots of workspace for you to do all the things that you need to when you're cooking for your family at a campsite. Over here in the dining room space, you have a pantry. In the pantries, you've got a motion activated light, which is fantastic. You've got seating for 4 over here, and then that leads us into the living room space, which is one of our favorite things about this unit. A lot of the 2-bedroom units out there don't have a lot of room for you to hang out in. We wanted room to hang out, so we've got this giant sectional sofa, and it's got this ottoman that lifts up into a desk or a TV tray if you'd like, a giant 70-inch TV. You've got your big electric fireplace right here, and all of that faces this awesome giant triple sliding glass door that leads out onto the exclusive Sabre sun deck. This is a great deck space because it doesn't take up too much of your campsite, but you still have outdoor room. And it folds up, and when it's closed, the glass railing here acts as a window. So you don't have a big dead wall right here. When it's closed up, you still can have a giant window and get lots of light coming into the room. Here in this bunk room, or flex room, if you will, you could do lots of different things. You can have this be a place where somebody sleeps, or you can make this your office, or both. This has lots of storage for all your kids' stuff. You've got giant deep cabinets here in this slide. And below here, you've got room for big storage cubes for all their toys or whatever you want to shove in their shoes. Here they have got a desk that hides away, so you pull this out and you can flip this down. You can bring one of the chairs from the dining room and you can sit here and have the kids do schoolwork, art projects, whatever they want, and everything can stay on the desk. You just close that up and it stays in there and you're good to go. You might notice there's no TV in here. Well, that's because there's a projector screen And it comes with a projector. They've got a 70-inch view so they can watch movies back here and have lots of fun. This sofa pulls out super easy, so it's real quick to do when it's time for somebody to go sleep in here. And then up this ladder here, you've got a loft that's got room for 2 small mattresses for 2 kids, or you could store stuff up there as well. They've got outlets, they've got USB ports, they've got storage cubbies, lots of room for them to have all their different little things that they want to have up there for their private sleeping time. The bathroom and the primary bedroom are all pretty standard across Sabre's line, so it's pretty similar to what you'll see in the other Sabre units, but you've got a super large shower space that's got a big skylight over it. For somebody that's tall like me, I'm very comfortable inside. You've got a hidden pull-out linen storage that's got tons of space and gets right into the back corner of that room. You got a porcelain toilet and a nice comfortable bathroom space. And then up in the bedroom, you've got a camper king size bed that's got plenty of room in it, and you've got lots of storage in a dresser. You've got a spot for a TV with the cable and an outlet above. And then you've got the giant mirrored closet that has room for a washer and dryer and is prepped for a washer and dryer as well. You can lift up the bed and there's plenty of storage underneath, but the better storage in here is the storage behind the headboard, where you've got lots of room to put all your important documents, your IDs, things like that that you don't want people to know are really back there. It's kind of hidden. Nobody can know that it's openable up there. You've got, again, plenty of outlets, spot for your CPAP machine or charging your phone, whatever you want, all over in the 37Rvmiles by Sabre. So thanks for checking out the Sabre 37Rvmiles. If you're interested, contact your local Sabre dealer today and see one for yourself.